Hi, I am Hiral. Welcome to our channel Computer Sarthi. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In our previous lecture, we learned about how can we edit the text and how can we format the text. Today we are going to start with the creating list by using bullets. For that, first we have to select the text on which we are going to apply the bullet. So I am going to select this data. After selecting the data, simply click on the Home tab. In the Home tab, you can able to see one symbol over here which is known as a bullet symbol. Here you can able to see one drop down list aside exactly the right side of the bullet. So I am just clicking on it. After clicking on it, you can able to see the different kind of bullets available. In this, we can able to choose any of one. And after hovering the mouse on that bullet, now we can able to see the preview on the screen also. So I am going to select this fifth one. After selecting this fifth one, you can able to see the bullet is added into the document. In this way, we can able to create a list by using bullet. Now we are going to learn about this undo and redo. Undo means that whatever that we done earlier, that we can cancel by using this undo option, and the redo means that we can reverse the undo action. Let us see how can we use this undo and redo. Here you can see the one text, I love MS Word 2007 very much. In this we are going to first apply the delete operation. I am going to delete this very much, that is you can able to see over here. For simply deleting this, I am selecting the text and pressing the delete key from the keyboard. After deleting it, I am going to apply the undo option on this. For undo option, you can able to see the one option over here that is known as a undo option. I am simply selecting this option. After selecting option, you can able to see very much is added into our document. Now I am going to use the redo option on this. For redo option this, just you have to click on the redo option which is available exactly at the right side of the undo option. After clicking on redo, you can able to see the very much is disappeared. That means we can say that the whatever command that we given earlier, we can cancel that command by using the undo option, and by using this redo option we can able to reverse the action of the undo. Now we are going to learn about spelling and grammar. MS Word checks spelling and grammar automatically as we typed. It displays the very red underlines to indicate possible spelling error and the very green underlines to indicate the possible grammatical error. In the MS Word having one feature that MS Word can automatically check the spelling and the grammar after we typed into the document. Whatever that we typed in the document, the MS Word can able to check the spelling and the grammar automatically. The MS Word displayed the very red line for the spelling error and the very green line under the grammatical errors. We are going to learn the spelling and the grammar checking by using this example. Here you can see the spelling of the uncle, and you can also able to see the red wavy line under the uncle. So we can say that here having a one spelling error. So simply click on that word. After that you are going to click the right click. After right click, you can able to see the possible options over here. So I am going to select the first one, uncle. After selecting the first one, you can able to see the spelling of the uncle is changed. Here you can able to see the green wavy line under the likes and the two. That means it can indicate that it's having a grammatical error. So first we have to go that green wavy line. After that, simply click the right mouse, right click. After that, you can able to see the one suggestion over here, that is you just have to click on it and you can able to see the green wavy line under the likes and the 2 is removed. The same other green line also available between the 2 and the 8. Simply right click on it and select the appropriate option. After clicking on the appropriate option, you can able to see the grammatical error is gone. You can able to check the spelling and the grammar using the dialogs box which is available in the MS Word 2007. For that, just you have to click on the review option that is available over here. After clicking on it, you can able to see the first option, spelling and grammar check. You just have to click on it. After click on it, you can able to see the one dialog box which is a spelling and the grammar dialog box. Here you can able to see the error, and it can suggest you this, give you a suggestion for this. If you want to change, then click on the change. If you don't want to change, just click on the ignore ones. After that, you also able to see the one more spelling mistake or the change over here. If you want to change, then simply click on the change. It can change according to the suggestions. After clicking on change, you can able to see the change is visible over here. Same thing, another line over here that having a one error. So here it gives you lots of the suggestion regarding this. So you have to select the anyone. So I'm going to select first one, that is Laos, and click on change. After clicking on Laos, you can able to see the Laos, the spelling of the Laos is changed. Same for the Delhi and he. I'm going to change, and the change. Here you can able to see the green wavy line under the the. That means it gives you a grammatical error. If you want to change it, then click on the change. Here also you can able to change that if you can use the apple is, or either you can able to use the apples are. So I'm going to choose the second one and click on the change. The same available for the uncle also. So uncle. After completing your spelling and the grammar check, it gives you a one dialog box that tell you that the spelling and the grammar checks is complete. Now you simply have to click on this OK, and you can able to see the all the errors which is available in this document is removed.
Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.